Hello, this is Scott Viceno from telecoms.com here at DTW 2026, and I'm delighted to be speaking to Anders and Krishna from Ericsson. So Anders, I understand that you've just announced an expansion of your intelligent automation platform. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
We have had great success in the market for RAN automation. We have won a couple of awards and a couple of analysts are putting us right. We have built this large ecosystem for open automation with a large EIAP ecosystem to automate the RAN network. And when doing that, we realized that a lot of that work on like enabling an open ecosystem, security controls, platform services, and all of that is also equally applicable to core as it is to RAN.
Okay.
Despite that this originally comes out of ORAN, but it's really applicable to core. And you can deliver the basic foundations of secure and controlled actuation and keeping track of the data to observe the network. And you can just expand that to core, and you can have all the benefits that is associated with this platform for RAN, also for core.
Okay, well that's good to know. So, Krishna, following up on that, can you tell us a little bit more about the significance of this from a core automation perspective?
Yeah, so we are evolving our core networks to be very intelligent. We call Ericsson Intelligent Core Network. We have done automation for several years, but we are transforming into the autonomous networks where intent-driven networking and AI-powered autonomy becomes important. With this EIAP, we will have the observability data and also secure actuation to reach the autonomous network level 3 and level 4.
And then back to you, Anders, from a CSP perspective, an operator perspective, what sorts of conversations and feedback are you having with that community on this matter?
We started in RAN automation, where there is, of course, a great interest to reach level 3, 4, 5 type of automation, depending on who you are. And also transform your legacy automation in the future to not only do lifecycle management of old stuff, but you also want to introduce AI, which is the key enabler. And this is, of course, a great platform to do that in order to have structured data, control actuation, and security, which is inherently needed if you want to do AI. That we have a lot of discussions in the RAN context, and when doing that, you also realize pretty quickly that you have synergies also with the core network when doing that.
Right. And then again, sort of following on from that, Krishna, what do you think should be the priorities when it comes to automation in the core network in terms of, which areas do you think are the most important?
Yeah. No, from core network and also from a Ericsson point of view, helping the CSPs to grow their business is a key priority. Monetizing the moments and also differentiated connectivity is a key opportunity for CSPs. For us to succeed in that, we need to allocate the network resources very intelligently, and also we need to see a proof of delivery, proof of delivering the promise of differentiated connectivity. So that's where the use cases we will focus on, providing the premium experience to the customers with SLA observability and also closed loop assurance. That is first priority. The second one is the core network resiliency. This is where our customers are asking, zero network outages for the core network. So these are the two priority areas: providing premium experience to the customers and also guaranteeing the resilience in the core network.
Okay, brilliant. And then just to finish off, just taking a step back away from maybe your specific offering that we've just been talking about. Here we are at the show, Digital Transformation World. It's evolved a lot over the years, and we're now in a period of just rapid technological evolution, full stop, especially in the area of AI, which we already touched on. Starting with you, Anders, maybe you could give us a sense of what you think we're likely to be talking about this time next year.
So I think we will talk about more or less the same thing, but taking it one step more real. I think we will be talking about core automation, but we will have the first customers, we will have the first what we call the CSPs, A fair portion of those will be agentic, and that will be seen as more natural at that point in time. So I think we will have come one more step closer to realize what we have today, and then we will discuss maybe hopefully operational issues of doing that step.
Cool. And then the same question to you, Krishna, to finish off.
Yeah, we will have CAPs next year, and we will have the key customers, and we will have reached level 3 on preventive network healing, contributing to the core network resiliency.
Cool. Well, hopefully we'll be sat down in the same place in a year's time, and we can see if your predictions are correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you both.
Thank you,
Scott.
Thank you.